All right, now we're on the other side. We're on the north side. We're crossing south. We're going to look at the two crossing options we have here. Let's say you get to the button, southbound is green or northbound is green. You just missed your phase. We're going to call a first walk with this eastbound left turn. We're going to have a delay in the median, and then we're going to finish the crossing with the westbound left turn. This is going to help in case you're just trying to get to the bus stop. You can get there like a half a cycle quicker. That might make the difference between catching your bus or not catching your bus. You're also just going to be across the intersection before you normally would start. You notice a couple cars still in the crosswalk clearing. That will change. There will be another logic step that says if this walk has been called, or if this phase has been called, to lengthen the all red interval so they have time to clear, so you have access to your full walk interval. But you saw the walk come up, you'd be in the median. If you're going to the bus stop, you're at the bus stop ready to get on the bus before they get the green and the bus would arrive. If you're crossing all the way, you're going to be in that median until the westbound left turn, which is right now. So you have a little bit of a delay. It's not terrible. It's not like you're waiting a whole cycle there. But what you're going to see is, so like let's say now I come up and I push the button.
Wait.
Before the southbound gets their green. That first crossing would have been all the way across the street by the time I'm going to get my walk here. So that's the two different ways to cross. And when you push the button on either end, you're going to get a longer walk, so that way you have time to get to the median before the countdown starts.